Good evening, welcome. This is the second Glossybox, I believe, the second Glossybox mystery box which I purchased. It arrived today, again, whilst I was out doing my visits. So yeah, let's have a look, see what we got. So this one is from April 2021 and it is the version 1 or variation 1. So let's have a look and see what we got this time. It's amazing that I can't actually remember what I got in each of my boxes in the year. But let's have a look, see what we got. So it wasn't a themed box, so we know that. That's the box. Let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, I don't remember that. I don't remember that at all. But then it was April. Let's have a look. Let's see. So I'm not going to open a leaflet, I just want to see what's in there. Okay. So we have, the first thing is the, oh yeah, this blush. This is the cream blush, so there's that. Oh, my sister and my niece have just arrived. So there's that. Downtown, actually I didn't mind this actually, this was alright. Didn't mind that at all, that was alright. Next was an eye contour cream. I don't need this, so I'll put this in the giveaway box. I don't think I've got an eye cream in the giveaway box, so I'll put that in there. This was, oh, this is a good product. This is the Skin & Co. Was it the cleansing? Cleansing, oh, it's a cleansing gel. Oh, I think I'll keep this one actually. This is a cleansing gel. I think the one we got last time was a cleansing cream. So a cleansing gel is better because I've got oily skin. So this works for me better, so I'll keep that. This was from Sophia and Mabel eyeshadow quad. I do remember that. Did I use it? Can't remember. Can't remember. How do I open it? Right. Oh yeah. I personally didn't like this. It was 3 shimmer shades and they didn't work on me at all. They looked actually quite ashy. So these didn't work for me at all. So I'll put this in the giveaway box. That didn't work for me at all. And the last product here is Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salts. Again, not for me. Wait a sec. Chris, my sister, do you want some bath salts?
Should I give it to her?
Yeah. Come say hi.
I was watching.
Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, go and ask her mum if she likes those. And that's it. Yeah. So that was my second box. I mean, definitely got my value there, £5. I'm only keeping this though, which is not so great. The eye contour cream, yeah, I'm definitely not going to keep that. I don't need it, so yeah, I'll put that in the giveaway box as well. This giveaway box is just, it's stuffed. And this liquid blush, it was actually alright. I didn't mind this at all. The colours worked on me, but I don't need another one. So I'll probably put this in the giveaway box as well. Right, that giveaway box is done. That's done. So £5, it was worth a gamble. I got a cleansing gel out of it, so I'm cool with it. There you go. Those were 2 mystery boxes. Alright, I'll see you soon. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? All you need to do, press that subscribe button and all is good in the world. Take care. See you soon. Bye.